Alright guys, so we are going to give Kaboodle a bath, and I decided to film it because I like cats and baths. If you don't want to watch this, click out. But if you like cats and you like baths, then you're in the right place. Her name is Kaboodle, and we should take her out and turn on the water. She's purring.
She's like, what the
She's
heck?
so weird. Prep yourself. Ooh. Finally your first bath in how many years? Same though. No! Kaboots! It's like not getting wet. Oh! Get the butthole. Faster! P.S. y'all, we're gonna use L'Oreal shampoo. Don't freak out in the comments section. We don't have
Isabel, that means you.
Isabel, don't freak out in the comments section. Don't have any other shampoo. It's not like we it's not like we use any around here. No! Look at her! Oh, I would watch this. I would watch a cat get a bath. It's so cute. Cat. Really drench them, and then get the ears really good. Get your cat shampoo again. You want to lather it all over these hands like this, and then stick it under the cat. And really get the belly. Get that belly. Little, you are looking fancy already.
She's actually not doing as bad as I thought she would.
No, she's really doing good. Oh my god, you keep getting the tail. Like that. Once it looks like about like an asparagus, you know you're ready to start rinsing. It's a completely different process here. Look at how tiny your neck. Oops, sorry about that. Is that a tick? Probably. Oh god! Oh! What? Put them on a towel. Wrap her up. That's how you wash your cat. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Say goodbye, Kaboodle. She's shivering right now. Oh, do it again. Ooh, spiky, spiky.